Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, news headlines in English for 18th of October. And first of all, national news. Allahabad University launched Google India Apprenticeship Program 2023. Justice D.Y. Chandrachud to be Chief Justice of India from November 9. Indian Army to buy 363 drones to boost border security. PM Modi to address 90th Interpol General Assembly on 18th of October. Karnataka High Court stayed NEET PG 2022 counselling. High Court to hear plea challenging verdict in Gyanvapi case on Wednesday. 1,20,000 school kids to watch FIFA Under 17 Women's World Cup FIFA. Independent social media can be misused for propaganda, Rajnath Singh. PM Kisan Scheme's 12th installment, Rs 16,000 crore to benefit 11 crore farmers, Centre. Delhi's air quality poor. Minimum temperature settled at 17.5 degrees. Nirmala Sitharaman visited National Science Foundation in Washington. Big positive change, PM Modi on teaching medical course MBBS in Hindi. And now some international news. Resign or be pushed. Scenarios facing UK's embattled PM Liz Truss. China social media users urge accounts restoration after protest ban. Ukraine urge more sanctions on Iran after drone attacks. Russia is storm. China is climate change. Germany spy chief. Attack on protester at China consulate deeply concerning UK. European Union imposed sanctions on Iran over anti-hijab protest. Pound rallies as UK set to unveil spending plans. NATO held routine nuclear drill amid Russia tensions. South Korea began military drills amid talk of North Korean nuclear test. And China delayed release of economic data without any reason amid key meeting. All assigned targets hit after Ukraine drone strike, Russia said. Ukraine called for Russia to be excluded from G20 summit after Kyiv attack. And now some sports news. Roger Binney said to be named 36th BCCI president, but questions remain on ICC chairmanship. Iga Swiatek extended lead at top of WTA rankings. Gukesh Agassi are very strong players. Chess legend Vishwanathan Anand. India teenager Donnarumma Gukesh youngest to beat Magnus Carlsen as world champion. Union Berlin stun Borussia Dortmund to stay top. Bayern Munich thrash Freiburg. And now news related to business. Sensex rise nearly 500 points, extends gains for second straight session. Rupee steady at 82.37 as dollar retreats and on expected RBI intervention. SBI Kotak Federal Bank hike lending rates making loans expensive. Nokia got multi-year deal to supply 5G equipment to Reliance Jio. Electronic Smart shared rise nearly 53% in stock market debut. Diesel hit Chow's mode in fresh blow for global economy. Funding for digital push remain strong. TCS chief executive said. And now news related to science and technology. NASA missions detected exceptional cosmic blast from birth of new black hole. Stars gave warnings when they are about to explode in a supernova. Scientists transplanted human brain cells into rats to study mental disorders, brain development. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.